So here we have our minor scale. Starting from C, you can say that it has 3 black notes. And what would happen if I transpose it down 3 semitones? 1, 2, 3. You can say that it has no black notes, only white notes as the C major scale had. I'll take the major scale for a real quick to show you. Place it on C. You can say that all the pitches of the notes are the same. Also the B right here, because we have it here. But it doesn't mean that this scale is major, right? It sounds completely different. But if we started from this note, it will be a major scale. But we are not starting our scale from the 3rd note, but from the 1st note, which is A. And that concept of major and minor natural scale having the same notes is called relative minor scale. And it applies to every single major scale. It should be obvious because we can just mark them and transpose it up. And for example, now we have an E major scale and a C sharp minor natural scale. And that stems from circle of fifths. So let's take a look at it. Here we have the key signatures that you won't be interested in when making music in DAW. But here we have all the major scales. And here on the bottom of it, we have a relative minor scale to the major scale here. So as we had in the beginning of this video, a minor natural A scale relative to C major scale. And just now we made it from E. So let's search for E. Here it is. And we have a C sharp minor scale relative to E major. So let's jump back into FL Studio. Here we have the major, and here we have the relative minor scale. And for example, if I take it and I transpose it up, for example, to F sharp minor, here, you can see that F sharp minor is a relative minor scale to A major. And this is right, because here we have an A major scale. And why is it a circle of fifths? Because if we start from a C key and we go up fifth up, we end up on a G. And if we go from a G and fifth up, we end up on a D. And so on and so on. Same with a minor case, right? Also, it's a circle. So if we want to go left, we would go fourth down. So we go from C a fourth down, we end up on a F. If we go from F a fourth down, we end up on a B flat. So if we go clockwise, our step is every fifth. But if we go counterclockwise, we go every fourth. To make sure it's clear, we go from C, fifth up to G. You should know it from the infographic with intervals. And if we go from a G to C, it's a fourth. And then it just overlaps, right? So basically the steps in circle of fifths look like this.